Sometimes it can be difficult to identify and distinguish between the 5 different types of bulbs. I'm going to go over them again in detail in case there was any confusion on this. So first we have corms, and corms look solid on the inside like a potato. It kind of looks like this. And then we have tubers, and tubers are darker in color and have a more swollen stem, as you can see right here. And they can also have what looks like growths or eyes on them. Next, we have tuberous roots, and they have a more tree root-like appearance. They can also have thickened roots, and those roots can hold food sources. And it's more like branchy in the tree root section, as you can see here. Next up, we have rhizomes, and rhizomes have underground stems that can store plant food, as you can see right here. And they can also help plants to grow new roots. Finally, we have bulblets or fleshy roots, and they are tiny round organs of the plant that can either grow on top of it or on the bottom down by the root down here. And that is it.